So the big question, right? Do women like beards? What's up, everyone? My name is Scott Barnes, and welcome back to The Bearded Journey. And for you nards out there, yes, the mustache is back. Relax. Now, you guys out there might know that women's perception of beards are unkept, they're grody, and nasty. But that is the opposite, especially since 2015, when I started the trend, I'm gonna give myself glory, that since there has been a wave of style, products, and beard care, we have really paid attention to the actual facial hair game. But to the fact that we've got to flip the script, that now more than ever, and let's actually look back in the day when men were very masculine, and that's the first topic I want to bring up, is masculinity of what the beard brings to the table. In fact, if you have a well flexed out beard and mustache, it can be a symbol of alpha male, which all strong women love. Trust me, I would know. And we can actually go back from the beginning of maybe in the 80s and 90s when stubble was actually a sign and look of sexiness. But as we grow into the relationship, a full beard can mean comfortability, sustainability, and a nice companionship of partnership. So case in point, a full beard represents a strong man, and women want that strong man in their life. And that's where we'll jump into a study that women were more attractive to men with facial hair than men that were clean shaven. And if we go over to bigthink.com, women actually perceive men to be more physically and socially dominant because women tend to associate more masculine faces with physical strength. And women who display higher levels of moral disgust or women feeling repugnant towards taboo behavior are more likely to prefer hairy faces. So long story short, grow out that beard, become a masculine alpha male, and take that woman into the high heavens of outer space. So I want to finish this off with a great story. I went to Home Depot with my girlfriend and we saw someone shoplifting. I looked at her, she looked at me, she said to take care of it, which I did. I took care of the shoplifter, we got the item back, and for me, that I've always been that alpha male, I want to take care of the situation and always have that confidence. That has always been my perception in life. So when I want to do something like growing out my beard and putting effort into it, shows my masculinity and shows the strong strength of me being socially strong and physically dominant. I think these are great words of wisdom for men out there that don't know what to do with their facial game, because we can always trim around. It doesn't need to be this godly, outgrown beast of a beard. For me, it's having that encouragement of taking care of the situation, being that socially dominant person in the room, and having that confidence that everybody wants. So in fact, yes, as I said in the very beginning, women love facial hair. Grow it out, you guys. We're getting into the game. We're already in September. We've got 2 months left until November 1st. We don't want to be starting there. We want to be finishing there, okay? Have that strong, big beard growth. Like always, you guys, like, subscribe, check me out, all that social media. Love you like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See